Ooh. I love a juicy sandwich. Yeah. Ooh, juicy. Ooh. What's up, my buddies? Check this out. I'm about to make a grinder sandwich. So here we go. Not wasting any time. I'm gonna pour the lettuce in here. Don't look the best, but it'll do. Let's see, maybe I could pick some of this out. Cause girl, I just bought this. Whew. My goodness. I guess this is real food. Let's see. If it doesn't go bad, it's not all that good for you. And I'm sorry, I should have done this before, but I didn't know. So, oh well, this is what we're gonna go with. Because it's not awful. Anywho, let me get this piece. They tricky. All right. So we're going to start with, what should we start? Pickles. I'm going to put pickles in here. I really want to cut up. Let's cut up a few. Cut them up into some little pieces. Can y'all see that? Yeah. Come on, pickles. Wickles, wicked pickles. So these are sweet and spicy. I did not know they were sweet, but that'll just add another flavor. This is gonna be delicious. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. And I'm also going to take a bite with you all. I sure am. I have time today. Oh. This should be enough. Stop right there. I'm gonna also add onions in here. Let me close this up. Yes. This is gonna be bomb. Got to take my salt and pepper out. Ah, yes. Oh, and yeah. Shout out to my grandmother. Today is her 81st birthday. So it's been a year since I wore this shirt. Yeah. Happy birthday, Granny. Mayonnaise. I think that should be enough. All right. And I have some vinegar and oil. Pour that in there. Ooh. All right. Now we are going to mix this up. And guess what? I probably should have put my sandwich together first. My meat and cheese. I might need a little more mayonnaise. Or do I need a little more vinegar and oil? Honestly, I would say both. That's what I would say. Ooh, this is already looking good. All right, that's how that's looking. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Right here we got tomatoes and cucumbers that I'm gonna put on there. We have, excuse me, we have Cajun style turkey breast. Am I gonna use that one? I'm gonna use it, okay. We have Black Forest ham. I'm not gonna use this. Yeah, I don't think I am. Cause my son, he mainly eats that. But anyway, I have salami, and I have pepperoni. For the cheese, I have jalapeno and cayenne pepper cheddar. So, turkey. This is gonna be an Italian grinder sandwich. Yeah, and I'm not gonna use the ham. I don't know if y'all can see me, but whatever. You can hear me. As long as you can hear me. I feel like I should have put some spinach in there. That would have been good. Should I add some spinach? I'm finna add some spinach, y'all. Because why not? This is iron. Need a little spinach in my life. There. Okay, we're gonna do some more, add some more. That should be good. be good. It don't take much. Can y'all even see? Okay. Come on, spinach. Get on in there. Ooh, wee. What? Say what? Ooh, this looks incredible. I should put some oregano in here. Honey, I am thinking as I go. That's the kind of cook I am, honestly. Where is it at? Oregano. Oregano. Yes. Right there. Ooh. Ooh. I ain't gonna lie, I want to add some. Ooh. Ooh, dill. I'm finna put dill in there. Girl. I'm finna put some dill. I'm finna put some Italian seasoning. I'm going crazy. I'm finna put some celery seeds. Child. Cause why not? Celery seeds. Really don't need much of those. Some dill. Because why not? Like, just put whatever you want. For real. Ooh. We don't have to be plain Jane when it comes to food. All right, I'm looking for, okay, I need my salt and pepper. I know I'm all in front of the camera, looking a hot mess. So pardon me. Okay, next segment. Hold on a second. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys. So I am going to take one of these, and I think I'm going to double it up because they're very thin. So I'm going to take this sheet. I'm going to, hold on, 60 calories. That's for half sheet. So it's going to be 120 for the whole thing. That ain't never hurt nobody. Because honestly, I haven't really eaten today. So, we're going to do it this way. So that we can go this way, I think. All right. Let's cut it. I need another knife. Well, let me just wipe this one. Because that don't make sense. All right. I could cut, you know what? Just go ahead and cut it. Cut. there. Should I do that? All right. Well, I feel like it needs to be cheese right here. That's what I'm gonna do. So, because it needs to stick. Okay, let's go. We're going to do I don't want double cheese though. Maybe I could do like just enough to make it stick. Maybe that'll work. Because I just want it to stick. So then, here's our turkey. Oh, we gotta do this. All right. Let me set the oven. Shoot. On broil. We're gonna see how that turns out. All right. Or the turkey. Cajun turkey, that is. We're gonna go like that. I'm gonna put 2. Because why not? Let the air out the bag. Then I'm going to go with the salami. I can't even talk. 2 pieces of salami. Yummy. And then we're gonna go with the pepperoni. That's 2. Okay. Last but not least, cheese. Again. Slice number 1. Slice number 2. All right, so I'm gonna put this in the oven on broil. Check it out. Check it out. It's just looking good already. And I'll be back. So y'all, while I'm waiting on the meat and cheese, I'm about to make this for a beverage. I bought this orange beet juice by Natalie's with only 2 ingredients: fresh oranges and beets. And then in here, I have some honeydew melon, some blackberries, some raspberries, and some strawberries. So I'm gonna take this juice, pour it in here, and make a nice little smoothie to drink with my sandwich. Yep. And I'll show you guys in a minute how it comes out. So that did melt the cheese in the middle. Let me show you. So it's stuck. Now we're gonna put it together. And we're going to go with our lettuce first. Well, our grinder salad, I should say. Grinder salad. Ooh. Can y'all see that? Girl. Nothing plays out. See that? I'm putting a little more. Ooh. So good. Should I put the, okay, yeah, I'm gonna put the tomatoes. Ooh. These are fresh ground tomatoes. I'm gonna put the cucumbers. I like the ends, but the seeds didn't come out on these. Guess I'll go with that. And I guess I'll go with that. Now I'm gonna save this for another sandwich. All right, now salt and pepper. Okay, I'll be back with my sandwich and my drink. Be right back. Okay. Here's our smoothie. Okay. Let's try it. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Nutrients in here. Okay. Let's eat this tree. We're gonna close it on up. Should we cut it? I don't think we should cut it. Let's just go in. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Ooh. I love a juicy sandwich. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Look at that. Oh, close and personal. Ooh. Mmm. No, don't come out. Oh. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Okay. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. 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 Y'all know what? I'm supposed to probably take this off, but it's still good. It's still good. Next time you'll know. Child, they still got the paper on it. Deli meat. Deli meat, not Subway meat. Better than Subway. Yeah. Ooh, it's juicy. Ooh. Okay. Take another sip. Yes, I'm gonna drink all that. It's going on my sandwich. Be dipping it. Scrub the ground. Scrub the ground. Let's try it. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, look. Mm-hmm. Mm. Just like that. Mm-mm. All right. I gotta show my smoothie some love. Right my mouth. I hope y'all enjoyed this. And I'm about to enjoy this. And I'll see you buddies next time. Peace.